Hey guys, this is going to be my entry for Bushcraft USA's intermediate class on fire lays. This is going to be the TP fire lay that I'm going to start with here. The goal here is to do 3 different fire lays and show them in use. So I'm going to get the TP fire going here, and then I'm going to actually brew a pot of coffee with it. So I'm going to take my smallest stuff here, and you can do the same thing with twigs or whatever. Just going to kind of lean them up against my shavings there. I'm basically going to do this with the small stuff, then I'll go around and do the same thing with the bigger stuff. When I get this all set up, I'll be back with you. Okay fellas, so the TP's made here. I left a little opening here, hopefully to be able to get the tinder bundle up in there to the shavings. I got some real shredded up, finely shredded cedar bark here, so hopefully it should had a little dampness in it. When I got out here, everything was kind of frosted over, so I stuck it in my pocket. Hopefully it'll go up good for us here. It should. Feels mostly dry anyway. Okay, that didn't go quite as smooth as I'd hoped, but we got it, so it's really all that matters, I guess. I'm going to start getting my stuff ready for coffee here. Okay, so my TP is not really much of a TP anymore, but coffee's boiling, so I'm going to get that off of there. Let the ground sink to the bottom so I can start enjoying it. But anyhow, that was my first fire lay, the TP. Okay, my next fire lay is going to be the log cabin fire lay. That might be getting a little ridiculous there, but anyway, you get the idea. You just stack them one way and then the other. I actually don't mind having it pretty big here because I'm going to we're going to have a little wiener roast here later. I might be able to actually boil some water on here. Well, I know a lot of you probably thought when I put that water bottle up there, well, he's going to dump that water all over, and that's fine because that's what I thought when I did it. And I did, but that's fine. I filled it back up. I got it sitting here next to the fire. Kind of made a little add-on to the log cabin there, kind of go around it a little bit, so shouldn't be too long. It'll be boiling, and I'll talk to you then. So it's boiling now. I'm going to get it off here, get some hot cocoa made. So that was my second fire lay, the log cabin. Okay, my last fire lay is going to be the star fire lay. I've got my magnesium block fire starter. Got these at Harbor Freight for a couple bucks a piece here a while back. Haven't really used them too much, kind of carry them as a backup, so I thought I'd try it out. Besides, I broke my good fire steel yesterday. I got some more on order. They should actually be here today. I always kind of carry this as a backup, so it doesn't hurt to try to use it every once in a while too. One of the best things about this fire lay is that once your long sticks or logs, whatever you're using, are burned off, you can just toss them right back up there on the fire. So you're kind of processing your firewood as you go along. This is really good if you're in a situation you don't want to burn a lot of calories, you don't want to have to use the saw or the axe. Neatness isn't a factor, so anyhow, this is a good one. I'm going to get my char cloth going here just because I'm kind of running out of time, so you can see it being used. Stick that right there, and when it's done, I'll be back with you. Okay, so I pulled this out of the fire a few minutes ago, all done. So that was my third and final fire lay, the star fire lay. This is Kevin. Thanks for watching.